That second when you take a risky look at your bank account and grimace at the ATM panel, or when you close your internet banking app cautiously, astonished by the amount, that's when you wish you had some more digits added to your bank account. It's time to pay the bills and you wish to save some extra cash for the month, or simply just meet the budget. If this describes your situation, do watch this video because we're showing some of the best ways to make money with no money. Hello guys and welcome to Luxury Society. Number 10. YouTube. YouTube may help you make money in a variety of ways. One of the most trending ways via YouTube is affiliate marketing. You're given the simple task of reviewing or discussing anything sold on the internet, and then bang, you have an opportunity to earn money now. Simply put, it's easy money. Another YouTube opportunity is by using it as a platform to influence others from. You can always cooperate with companies selling goods that are relevant to your channel as your channel rises in popularity. Number 9. Offer to assist someone. Is it possible for you to supply someone with a service that saves them time and effort? If this is the case, you will very probably receive compensation while taking into account your skills and expertise. Over the weekend, perhaps you could assist someone with a move or fix a leaking faucet. Perhaps you might babysit another parent's child after school or assist an elderly neighbor with yard work. Number 8. Work as a tutor. Tutoring can be a lucrative way to make money with only your time as an investment. The second great advantage of tutoring is that if you do a wonderful job with your first 3 or 4 people, word will spread rapidly and you'll get a lot more work via referrals. Tutor in medium-sized study groups if possible. The most efficient approach to earn money is to tutor anywhere from 3 to 5 people at a time. Number 7. Testers. What are the oddest moneymakers that don't require any money up front? The first is receiving pay for testing. You can be reimbursed for food testing and earn up to $55 in cash for just one tasting session. Also, getting paid to be a test subject, you may earn up to $4,000 by participating in clinical research if you're bold and understand the risks. Number 6. Providing contract services. Developing bespoke services, building a portfolio, and going through a lengthy marketing process can be exhausting. Sometimes you just have to be brave and say what's on your mind. Don't squander your writing and editing skills and start providing contract services. During this time, email, message, and engage with your networks at a fast pace to complete work for them. For relatives and family, consider copywriting and magazine editing. Number 5. Babysitting. The demand for childcare will always exist. If you want to start babysitting, inform your friends and family and ask them to inform their friends and family. You can offer to babysit at odd hours, such as early mornings, events, or weekends so that parents can enjoy a date night. More parents will consider hiring you because most daycares are closed during these hours. Number 4. Place an advertisement on your car. Companies, believe it or not, pay drivers to advertise their brands on their automobiles. This can be accomplished in 2 ways. You may either approach local businesses and ask if they'd be interested in using your car as a moving billboard, or you can choose a company to handle all of your advertising and setup for you. Number 3. Lawn care. Even though every home has a lawn, the vast majority of homeowners don't want to mow it. That's a big market, and all you need is a tiny slice of it to make money. Actually, only one customer is needed. Pick a few neighborhoods and spend a weekend going door to door, asking individuals if they want their lawns mowed. There might be many no's, but there will also be many yeses, and that's all you need. Number 2. Try selling things. When you're short in cash, one of the best ways to supplement your income is to start selling items around your home. You most certainly have items like garments, gadgets, decor, furniture, kitchen equipment, tools, and outfits that you no longer use. You may sell these items without leaving your house or paying any more money if you sell them online. Number 1. Blood or plasma donation. If you're 18 or older, in good health, and don't mind needles, you can make extra money by giving blood or plasma. Some centers will pay you $20 to $25 each week the first time you visit, and up to $30 to $45 the second time you visit. Some students have done this a number of times in college to supplement their income. So, which point out of the list would you start with? Start commenting on your answers in the section below. With that being said, do drop this video a like, subscribe to Luxury Society, and push the bell icon. See you soon!